Recording in
Hey everyone,
progress.
welcome to weekly freedom assignment number 5, I think. In this episode, I want to show you an exercise that really helped open up the fretboard for me, and it's an arpeggio exercise. It's pretty simple. All it is you take the 5 major chord shapes. So you've got C, 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 and C, and then they repeat. And you're going to play the arpeggio that goes with each of these. So for example, if I'm playing this bar chord of C, I would play the C major triad that kind of lays over this shape like this. And then I'll go down to the 5th, come back up. So what you're doing is you're outlining the chord. You've got C, E, G, C, E, G. And then coming back down. G, E, C, G, E, C, G, and back up to C. You can also, if you're feeling fancy, you can put the high C on top. I like that because I like anything that gets my hand, moving this direction on the fretboard is really helpful. You don't want to get stuck in just a position. Then we're going to change it to minor. So take the E, any E's that you see in the chord, there's only one in this position, and lower it to E flat. So now you have C, C minor. And then you need to adjust your arpeggios so that now you're playing E flats. So instead of, now you've got C, E flat, G. And you're going to have to decide for yourself the best way to do that. You could do like that, the E flat down there. Then it gets a little stretchy. I like doing it here because I can see it more easily under this chord shape. C, E flat, G, C, E flat, G, high C. And what's really effective about this is that you're keeping the same root note. So you're playing C major, then C minor. So C major, C minor, and you're seeing just that one note change. Then go up to the next position. So here's C major. The next C major is this kind of G shape. And you're going to do the same thing. C major. And that's C, E, G, C, E, G, high C, and back down. Again, if you're feeling super fancy, you can even grab the low G down there. Anything that gets you moving and seeing all those notes is good. Then change it to minor. So there's kind of the minor shape. And so C, E flat, G, C, E flat, G, C. One more time. Now, let's go up to this position. So now this is kind of the E major shape. We'll play major, C, E, G, C, E, G, C, and now we can grab this high E up here. Now this shape is interesting to me because ascending, this feels the most natural to me. C, E, G, and then go to your third finger for this C. You kind of sneak it behind there. That sets you up to play the rest of it. Then coming down, when you get here, to me it's very awkward to grab that G with your pinky. I can do it, but what's more natural to me is to roll my ring finger down, and then from here, you could stretch to get that E down there, but I prefer to just grab it with my pinky right here. So it's actually different on the way down. Great exercise for your picking also. Then we're going to change it to minor and do the same thing. So now we've got C, E flat, G, C, E flat, G, C, E flat, and back down. That's probably the easiest one of them all. And again, when I'm coming down, I'm doing a bar here, like a little tiny bar, and rolling my finger back. And same thing for my ring finger here. I don't have to pick up my hand or anything, just doing this rocking motion. C minor. So C major, C minor, and then the next C position is this little D shape. So here's C major. Then this to me is probably the hardest one. You've got C, E, G, and you have to stretch C, E, G, C, E. And then C, G, E, back up. Now let's make it minor. So here's our major shape. We're going to turn this E down to E flat. And then we're going to play the minor arpeggio. C, E flat, G, C, E flat. Back down. And then when you go below, C, G, E flat. Back up. So you've got C, E flat, G, C, E flat. Back down to C, G, E flat, C, G, E flat, G, C. So all together. That one's a definite workout. And then finally, you're here at the 12th fret. And then C, E, G, C, E, G. And then C minor. C, E flat, G, C, E flat, G. Back to C. And that's it. That is a really great workout. You can make up your own exercises. You could go up major, come down minor. You could go... Ah! Anyway, all kinds of great games you can play. to me, this was a real game changer. It just really helped me see, oh, everything's related, right? These two chords are related. The scales, oops. Just changing that one note changes the scale. So to me, now it wasn't like all these different bits of information, but it's like one idea with a few variations off of it. That's really helpful. So give this a try. Let me know if it's helpful. If you have any questions, let me know.